Hey guys, Brian Ellerman's here with Century 21 Kima Properties. Today I have a new listing. It's 8 acres. I'm standing in the middle, kind of the middle of it, and this is about a 3-acre pasture that is mowed down for the perfect home site. Really, I think that's what this property would be great for. You could also have it just for recreation, riding 4-wheelers, deer hunting. We have a creek that flows through the property. There's about 4 acres that's wooded, scrub, real thick. There's about 1 acre of tillable. We have a septic, you can see behind me, in place if you want for that home site. This property is in Windsor, Illinois, just south of town. So I don't think it's gonna last long.